Camp Fussel in the house. It's raining outside and I don't know, just nasty. Felt like doing a little short video on some upgrades I've been doing. My dad and I were lucky enough to win this Snapcycle from Bryan over at Citizencycle, I don't know, several weeks ago. And I really like it. It came with this Bikaroo seat, and just for giggles, I decided to try the the YOG seat. I hadn't even been able to try it yet because of the weather, but I put that on yesterday. And I like the handlebars that were on the Snapcycle so good that I stole them. I put them over here on my Ariel Rider X-Class. I just like the swept back version, and it's so much better on your hand grip and everything. The feel of it. I got the 7-inch stem riser and the swept back handlebars, and I'm loving it. I hadn't even had a chance to ride the Snapcycle after the handlebar swap either, so I got to get out there and do that. Maybe the weather will be bearable here in a day or two. But just thought I'd share that with folks. I'm really digging these swept back handlebars. Man, that's the way to go. Yeah, let's see if I can get you a better view of anything. Of course, my living room's so messy. Got cats and dogs in here. Things to do on a rainy day. All right, we'll just make this short and sweet. Adios.